to the gallant officers of the PNP, AFP, to our friends in the AFP, PNP, Press Corps, Southern Mindanao, to my fellow employee from PDEA, good morning. There was already a statement coming from Colonel Aquino that anti-illegal drug operations is now focused on drug groups. No? This is in line with the mandate given to us by the Director General, BG Kakda, that there is already a minimum wherein PDEA is allowed to operate. So, street level pushing and other small-time illegal drug activities is no longer the concern of PDEA. But whenever we get an information of these alleged activities, of these personalities, we pass them on to the PNP, which is the primary law enforcement office. No? Pag malalaki, kami yung hawak. Kaya nga ngayon, I'm glad that coordination and cooperation between the PNP, the AFP, and other law enforcement agencies in Southern Mindanao, particularly Region 11, is alive and well and good. No? We have to learn a lesson from what happened in Mama sa kanila. No? Pag walang coordination, no, malimit mangyari. No? So, I'm glad all the law enforcement agencies are now working hand in hand. No? Kasi kung kami lang, wala kami magagawa. The number of person is very, very limited. Our resources is very, very limited. No? I'm just glad, and I'd like to thank the PNP and the AFP in Region 11 that they are supporting our activities. Vice versa, we're also supporting whatever endeavors we are about to take or is going on, no? As concerning anti-illegal drug operations. No? So, thank you.